Isn't she cute? Oh, there's Sazi with her doggles. And today we're at Cajon Mesa at Hovenweep National Monument, and this is off-site to the main group. And you actually take, and I just want to show you the approach here. This is the mesa, the beautiful valley here that stretches out below Cajon Mesa. So, and you actually take a road that's off the main road before you turn on Hovenweep Road and do that 10 miles. There's a road just up if you're coming from Cortez, about a mile. That's a Navajo road that you take to get here. So anyway, we'll look at the ruins as we get further on the path. I personally don't park in the parking lot, let me tell you that. I park, there's a little area to the left, about, I don't know, a quarter mile before the parking lot, not very far. So we're just a little further down the path now. And this is what the ruins look like from this vantage point. You can see the weather coming in. We're supposed to get about 3 days of rain. One of the reasons we chose Cajon was because I really didn't want to, we have to hike in on the Holly Ruin, and it takes a while, and I just didn't want to get stuck up there. Here's the viewpoint from the cliff, and you can see ruins on both sides of this little ravine area. There's one here, and there's some under here that we'll get a better look at in a minute. But I'm going to swirl around, and then you can see ruins there. It's like a basement almost. And then there's, okay, we're just a little bit further up the ridge. Now you can see that there's some ruins under here. I think you can see that. And then there's the valley again, or the top of the mesa. And then here are these ruins that we just saw from a different angle. And then as we go up the hill here, we see more ruins off in the distance as we come up the hill here. So here's another viewpoint. This is the ruin we just saw kind of from the other side. There's your valley there. And then the ruin over here. And there's a really nice look-off that you can walk out to here. This is a great hike if you don't want to go very far, if you have limited mobility. Now there is some areas of the path that would require some navigation. I'm trying to show that there, but there's a cool ruin out here that I think is really beautiful. Reminds me of Horseshoe. So anyway, that's pretty much Cajon. It's a very beautiful place, and look at those rains coming in. So we're setting up to hang out in the tent for the next couple of days. I'm going to show you real quick. There's some